Summer's here, the pool is cool, and the valley's heating up faster than my phone in direct sunlight. Gotta love California. All right, let's get to it. I'm here to show you all the new listing, 18823 La Amistad Place. La Amistad means the friendship, and I'd like to believe that it sets a vibrant and welcoming tone from the moment you walk through the door. This isn't just a house. This is where energy flows and friendships grow. Now, you guys go check the rest of the backyard out while I go freshen up. The backyard has been completely reimagined. It allows you to be very laissez-faire, letting you do whatever you feel like. Whether it's grilling a delicious ribeye steak with some complimentary sides, laying on the poolside getting 1 or 5 shades darker, lounging with a glass of wine by the fire pit, or playing a little horse on the basketball court, this backyard has it all. This house was built in the 1960s, same year as when John F. Kennedy was elected. Doesn't look like it, does it? This house that you're looking at right now has gone through some extensive work, from layout, electrical, piping, plumbing, AC, you name it, it's been done. From the studs. This home is the stud of the neighborhood. Like, look at the landscaping. Look at this A1 polypropylene turf. Soft, smooth, easy for irrigation. Hot. The plants, the stucco, the accent wall, the roof, also this custom CBW pivot door. Let's go inside. It's pretty beautiful, right? So go take in the awe factor and don't forget to come back. Now that you've seen how beautiful and grand this open concept layout is, let me give you the details. It is a 4-bed, 4.5 bath, 3,000 square feet of living space in just a little over 11,000 square foot lot. The open concept layout, as you can see, is bathed in natural sunlight with 11.5-foot ceilings with these beautiful cathedral beams. The floors are English oak wood, and the accent walls in the living and dining are imported from Spain. In the living and dining area, there are 2 Sonos speakers that actually pack a punch. Perfect for a party or even a gentle dinner. Trust me, it does the trick. The awe factor continues with these beautiful double pane accordion and sliding windows for seamless indoor and outdoor experience. Whether again, it's for entertainment, personal, like I said, do whatever you please. The kitchen is the extension of the living and dining space, but it deserves its own attention. Chic decked-in slabs stretch from the island, countertops, pantry, and dining area. Flush cabinetry and state-of-the-art Thermador appliances. My personal obsession is the soft closing doors from the fridge. So cool. There's ample storage. Just look at the pantry. What I like about the kitchen, it is not your typical all-white, boring kitchen or pantry. The designer seamlessly extended the stunning kitchen aesthetics into the pantry and dining as well. Let's get to the bedrooms. Each of the 4 bedrooms has a dedicated or ensuite bathroom with custom-built closet space. The rooms are spacious and well-designed. With each bathroom having its own unique style, it's easier to match your family member's character. Now, on to the master suite. It has been thoughtfully designed with enough space for 2 or a lot of space for 1. It features his and her closets, a double vanity, a heated towel rack, and 2 showers. The guest's powder room design should never be left out. And that is exactly what the designer thought of. So there you have it, 18823 La Amistad Place, where friendships grow, memories are made, and you can enjoy the California lifestyle. So this is our tour, and we hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.